Hey guys, this is Poet Spice, Jamie, Lola, Tallulah. Oh look, it's my favorite color combination, black and red. Very vamp. So, I have an art supply unboxing video for you. And then, I'll do a coloring in another video. So, I was watching YouTube, and most people who have been on my channel know I love to color, and I have tons of alcohol markers and other things and some watercolor pencils, all that, because I just love to color. But I saw this on YouTube and they were oil color pencils, so I was like, let's go check this out. So these I bought on Amazon, and this 120 Brutfuner oil color pencils. I think it's so weird that they call them oily. That makes it sound so bad. Anyway, these came yesterday. Well, it won't matter when you see it, right? So these came, and I'm unboxing them now. So you have this fun box. Oh God, excuse me. Wrapped around it, and it came with a plastic, like a clear plastic thing on it. And then you have this metal tin. So, let's see if I can get the metal tin open. Will you open? Are you going to open the metal tin? So, there we go. We've got it open now. And it's a hinged tin. So, you can see this little pad. It comes with DIY color list. So you can do your swatches, which I have begun to do swatches for my markers and stuff, especially when I bought the Ohuhu markers, because they do not always match the caps. So I definitely have started doing that. And then it's 120 color pencils. Look at these. Oh. Do you see that beautifulness right there? Then, oh, they have an elasticized, well, that one came out, an elasticized handle. So you've got one tray, ha 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 ha, two trays, look at that beautifulness, ha ha ha, three trays. Ha ha ha. Beautiful. Look at this right here. Look at how these grays are lined up. How beautiful is that? So let me go ahead and put these back on in here so you can, well, you know what? I'm going to put the blues on top because you guys know my favorite color is blue and purple. So why don't we go ahead and put that on top? Yes. Now, I can already see as a negative to this is always trying to take these in and out and then trying to get them back in. That would be annoying. But I don't like to take my pencils, my colored pencils, because I have some from Spectrum Noir. I don't like to take them out of the tins. But then again, that tin only has one layer, so I'm confused. I don't know what to do. But how gorgeous is this? Look at that, beautiful. It's beautiful. Now, let's try a pencil. Look at that. I want you to notice. What do you notice about this? Do you notice? Do you notice this? Look. It's a square pencil. What? Square. Look at that. Square. Oh, it's so lovely. Now, they have the name on it, but it's obviously in, I don't know if this is Japanese or Chinese. And then they do have a number. I have a feeling that with use, this number would come off. So probably wrapping a piece of tape around that would be pretty good. I did watch the other lady's video, and she made a comment that, I don't know if you can see that, the points come flattened instead of pointed for shipping. So that was good to know from seeing her video. And then you do need a bigger pencil sharpener, she said. So the regular one is, if you had a 2-hole one, you would use these in a larger one because the square part won't go in. But how, oh my gosh, that's awesome. And they won't roll. See, what rolling? No rolling. Well, they did that time, but you know, it's not going to roll. And I don't know that it would be that uncomfortable with the square. Because I use Spectrum NARS and they're like hexagonal and all different, so it doesn't really matter. Love that. Oh. I'm smelling them. I will say this. I try to give people smelling information. These are not strong smelling, which is a good thing. Because sometimes you open them and it's like, woo, you can tell that's wood and whatever else they put in there. These don't smell very strong, even with all this 120 colors. They don't smell like, I have this right up to my nose. You can't see me doing it, but can you see me sniffing? So that is fabulous. Oh my gosh. I just went to rubbing you. It's so beautiful. Oh, they feel nice. So I can't wait to try those and swatch them. So that is my first art supply. And these are probably some of my last ones for a while. Because I did buy some paints earlier. So awesome. And these are this is a heavy tin. So, I mean, it's not like, you know, 80 pounds. But it's constructed. It doesn't feel like it's just going to fall apart. It's basically what I mean. So then, my second art supply. Are we familiar with this? Of course we are, because y'all know I love my Ohuhu alcohol markers. So I bought these to try. And they are brush markers. So you have, I forget how many are in here. 100, I think. Yes, here we go. So here's your information. It has 100 colors. And this is their printed swatch, so you can see that. They give you 2 cards that are numbered so you can do your own swatching, because they never look the same as when they're printed. So they give you that. You get, oh my gosh, excuse me. You get 2 nibs that are for your fine liner part, and you get 3 nibs for the brush nib. So as replacements. Now, you have this piece here that folds out so that you have what? Ba-da-da-doop and ba-da-da-doop. So there's 3 sets on this side. Then you have the other side, which has 3 sets here. Look at that beautifulness. Awesome sauce. So I got these because I wanted to see how they would work with some of those coloring books that I had purchased. So if you look on my other channel, you would see the coloring book haul I did. And alcohol markers just bleed through. So we shall see about these. So I'll show them to you. So you got your Ohuhu color markers. And I guess these are supposed to be similar to Tombows. And they have the number on them. They don't have color names. Okay. And you have your brush tip. Boop, boop, boop. And your fine liner tip. So fabulous. And then they fit snugly in this case. Oh, I always love storage when they give you storage. So it's like, yes, yes. So you have this little handle here that you can do whatever you want to. And then you can close it right on up. Zip it on up. Zip it on up. Your markers. I'm like knocking the camera. Sorry, darlings. So those are my 2 art supplies that I wanted to share. And then I will do a video where I color something with them if you would like to see that. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, do the thumbs up. You can leave me some comments. If you want to see something in particular, you can let me know, and so forth. Bye. You guys be safe out there.